What's up? As many as you all know, this is Ableton Live 8, Sweet Edition, and Christina owned me. Anyways, I found this box lying around my house, and it's linked up to the microphone. It leads down to here, and then it goes to a flurry of wires, and then it goes down to here. And the VSX leads up down to here to the Midi controller. Here's my mixer. There are the places I've been. Alright, enough about that. This is something I just made up. So I've been experimenting with it, and this is what I'm going to be doing. Just a little dubstep. I got a MacBook. Here's a delay. Yep, that's my little mix. Peace out, motherfuckers.